lunch में पियता पियता रहे like 2 minutes and start party.
You put 2 pair of each one or just one? Just set it and see how it looks. Because that one here. Oh. We'll get another little block that we can use for the lid.
Okay.
This one up, right there. This small one? No, but that's too small. That's why he will get one. You screw this one. Pull it out? Yeah. Try and use screw. That one suck it up faster now. Put 3 screws in it.
Fuck, Bob, don't need it. Put this back.
You have to come with that. Screw it further. Up, drop, right, up, too much, right, there. Up a little bit, right there.
This is touching ground. Check it. Good.
You won't take it out. Yeah. Up, down, right.
Again?
Up a little bit, right there. Got it.
This one. Check if you good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're not put normal. Working hard.
Gotta make some jacks for it now, and then cut the other parts for it. I got started on it like around 11 today. Hype us up, hype us up. We work for like, shares, and comments. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Hydrate. Don't be a little bug. Put trash in its rightful place. Beautify Belize. Now I gotta try and get a ride south. This part is called waiting for a ride. Got a ride. Sweet! This is just below the Boca del Rio. I caught a ride and head into, I think, San Pablo. That's south of the international airport, south of the international airport runway strip, whatever they call it. Traveling towards the downtown area, they call it Central. Cigar spot. That's a social security building right there. It's a casino too. I think I've been in a casino this downtown one twice. Might be a little bit more than that. My ride came to an end, the first phase. On to phase 2 now. So that's this traffic air, the Island International Airport, airstrip, whatever they want to call it. This is the arrival section of it as well. And over here is departure. Right where she stepped in, that's the departure entrance. Because I stumbled upon this a couple weeks back. This is the Bellican store. I've never made it inside, but I'll plan on going in one of these afternoons. I make my way south, and then I normally decide which direction I will go, because you can make a right hand turn up ahead, or you can just keep on going forward. If I proceed forward, I take that based on the fact that the road, they don't really have a sidewalk. It does in a certain section of it, but I take that route because it has more shade. A little bit more shaded. It's a little bit tougher to get rides in that on that path or in that section of the road. As you can see, someone's coming out over there. Now this section, if you go right, it's not as shaded. I do get rides over there. Sometimes it's tough or tricky getting a ride when you go in this direction. I have the golf cart ports over there. Let's see how I'm going to fare today. Oh, and I missed that one. I should have tried that one. That with the tin in there. That looks pretty awesome. Just trying to make my way. One coming, but they are fold up. That golf cart came dangerously close. Come here a lot. I can't tell if it's a lumber yard or not, or just a warehouse. And cars that they had for sale either got sold or they moved it. I'm talking about it shaded. Someone is coming. Let's see if I can get a ride. New to the island. I got a ride with him. Fun fact, they say like the guys who want to have pickups and stuff, they do allow guys to have pickups on the island, but you have to qualify and pass as a general contractor to be able to have pickups to move equipment and stuff. But golf cart is king on the island, and it became popular and dominant because back in the day the road was primarily sand, and a lot of cars would get stuck in the sand. And the golf cart, based on the weight, I would say, and maybe people not really having the concept or education or knowledge of how to drive on sandy roads, the golf carts wouldn't get stuck, and the streets are pretty narrow as well. The last census stated that there are about 5,000 golf cart on San Pedro, and to own a cart you have to purchase a cart. You got to go to the town council and petition and pay and fill out application and pay for the right to purchase a golf cart. So you got to get a permit to purchase. If you're construction, then you can get one as well. This dude almost fucking ran me over right there. And that's from behind. Now I'm not even on the street, I'm in the drain, on the hard side of the drain as well. Love the colors. They're getting after it. Once I make it to this location or this point, I don't even try to hike anymore. I just commit to walking. Then I normally switch over on this side to utilize the shade and travel in comfort. Sub Hombre Florero. Like I said, I'm gonna check them out. They got a great beach bar over here. Support, guys. I'm making it, getting closer. I'm at destination. I made it. This might be a wild papaya.